2022 F-150 Lariat with every bell and whistle. 19,000 miles. Hi, this is Carter. I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com. I don't know why they didn't buy Platinum. This has got every single option. Every option you get on the Lariat. It's got the FX4 package. It's got the pearl white or the metallic white. It's got the heated rear seats, the big double roof, the chrome package. You name it. It's it's got all the options. All the normal options anyway. I bought this truck from my neighbor. There was a misunderstanding. He said he wanted no chrome. I heard he wanted the chrome package. So anyway, FX4 with the chrome package. 19,000 miles. Independently inspected. That came back great. It said it needed new tires. Why a 20,000 mile truck, 19,000 mile truck needs tires? I don't know, but we did it. Fresh oil change. Bumper to bumper warranty right from factory. You can upgrade that warranty very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of finance, get pre-approved at AutoramaAuto.com. And we'll have you in and out of here under 20 minutes. We're not going to keep you all day like the big box stores. There's no reason. It's garbage. You get pre-approved, you're in, you're out. You get pre-approved, come test drive it. You like it, you love it. Come into the office, 20 minutes, you're out of the office. No, none of that other garbage. You can extend the warranty well on finance. I think I said that. The big touch screens. That touch screen is bigger than my first TV, and it's in color, unlike my first TV. Got the fold-down shifter, heated and cooled seats, heated rear seats, big roof, power telescoping steering wheel, the adaptive cruise, the power tailgate, the backup pro. It's got the big mirrors on it, so it's got the trailer towing package. Gosh, you name it. It's every single option. It smells like new yet. Clear Carfax. Again, the brand new tires, a fresh oil change. It's pearl white. Camera doesn't do it justice, but it's really pretty. It's got the camera for the box. Oh, speaking of box, well, no ball, no plate. Boom, onboard generator. Yep, it's got the onboard generator. Like I said, this truck's got it all. One thing this truck does not have is hidden fees. We are not like the big box dealers. Again, you're going to find this truck advertised for less, but you're not going to be buying it for less. A lot of dealers are advertising a truck $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 less than everybody else's, but they have $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 in hidden fees. We don't have any hidden fees. We do have a $145 doc fee. If you show this video to my finance guy and say, hey, I got this video, we're going to give you a free doc fee. Yeah, that's right. We're going to include the doc fee. So price you see is the price you pay. Drive it away. There is state fees, but that varies from state to state. We don't get that. So let's recap. 2022 F-150 Lariat FX4 Chrome Pack with the onboard generator. 20,000 miles. One owner, clear Carfax, independently inspected, new tires, fresh oil change, fresh reconditioning, no hidden fees, fast financing. That is the Autorama advantage. Come and experience it.